Hey, hey again, I should say. Today we're going to talk about fragments, and this might be the shortest uh, video of the whole series. All we're doing in this section is, let me see, which component was it? I don't think it was app. The app, I think it was search component. Yeah, right here. See how there's a div right here? And then inside of it, we have a label and an input, and also an HR. All we're doing today is get rid of this div, and I believe that's it. Save it, run it, and see the results, which is just the default results. Yep, that's it. That's all Robin is trying to say. If you don't want to use a div, a parent wrapper, because you can't put these two alone by themselves without this. Look what happens if you don't put this down. If I save it, it's going to complain, right? You must have an enclosing tag. That's it. All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Cannot stress that enough. Don't forget to share. That would be highly appreciated. That's how you can pay me back. I'm doing this for free, but if you share, that's probably the ultimate gift, maybe besides blogging about it, about my services. All right, guys, take care. Bye.